Hey guys, I'm here at Suntec City and I'm at the basement. So I saw this vending machine. So this is the vending machine and I saw Pokemon GO cards, Japanese. Ooh, so I'm going to try and buy one pack and see whether if I'm lucky enough to get my test card. It's just next to Food Republic, right? And then you can see at the corner here. So it's just beside this Pop Mart vending machine. So it's just down here, Food Republic, and that's the machine. That's the vending machine. You can go here, come here, and get it. There you go, Japanese Pokemon GO card. Yes. So I'm going to try. Let's go. Yeah, I got my Japanese card. Yeah, thank you. Hey guys, so you can go to Suntec City basement and go to Food Republic, and at the corner you will find the vending machine there, so that you can buy that Pokemon GO Japanese card. There's so many other cards also. Pokemon Astral Radiance, Brilliant Stars, and other Pokemon, Japanese Pokemon cards you can find there. So if let's say you're a tourist, you want to buy a Pokemon card, you can just come to Suntec City and go to Food Republic at the basement level, and at the corner you can find the vending machine there. So all the best to you. So now I'm going to open up my pack that I just bought from the vending machine. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god.